OCGN announced the appointment of Nirdosh Jagoda as Senior Vice President, SVP, Regulatory Affairs, Compliance and Safety. This appointment replaces David Weissman, who left the company in October. Jagoda most recently served as Vice President, Regulatory Affairs, at Humira, a pharmaceutical company focused on discovering, developing, and commercializing gene therapies to cure blindness diseases and save lives from COVID-19. Jagoda has more than 10 years of experience in the field of regulatory affairs and has worked extensively with biopharmaceuticals and drug companies. He will be responsible for ensuring the global strategy, development and execution of regulatory activities for the company pipeline, including gene therapies and vaccines, are aligned with local and international registration requirements. His responsibilities include supporting commercialization. He will serve as a member of OCGN management team, reporting directly to the CEO. Dr. Jagoda's work has had international impact, managing teams spanning more than 20 countries.